This is taping.
Hey.
Yeah.
Jesse, you know when you were riding this, you had the handlebars turned all the way around?
I did.
That's why you couldn't brake as good, I guess.
His butt looked good. Oh my God, I have to stop.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, Jess.
Okay. And action.
Hey, it's me again. We got our friend on the skate, on the ripstick, or as he calls it, a wakeboard. We got me on the good old scooter bike. You've seen a couple videos, so let's see how this goes. Ready? Let's go. Watch out! And that was the wave bike and scooter.
Video! Video!
Wow. What? You and Jesse.